Welcome, today in front of me Doogee S40 and I'll show you how to change icon shape on this device. We'll make that with the X icon changer, so you have to get this application from the Play Store and just now open the application. And for example, here you will see all your icons on your phone. And for example, we'll change the contact icon. Now you can see the library with icons. You can choose one from these icons, for example, between these different icons. Also, you can choose this from your gallery or to make a picture right now. Or, okay, to unlock this you have to pay, I think. Also, you can add launch GIF. For example, we will change our contacts here to the to this icon, and now just tap to OK and wait a few seconds. Just now we'll skip the app and tap to add automatically and change the next icon. You can just select this second icon if you want to change, and right now you can see here your new contacts application right here, and that's changed icon. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.